Mihira, how did your shift go today? Anything unusual happen?
It was pretty routine. We had a few admissions, but nothing too serious. Oh, and there was that one patient in room 203. She was quite agitated and refused her medication.
Really? That's unusual. Did you talk to her about her concerns?
Yes, I tried to understand why she was upset. It seems she's been having some anxiety issues lately. I explained the importance of taking her medication as prescribed.
That's good. Sometimes, patients need reassurance. It's important to build trust and rapport with them.
I agree. I think we need to involve the social worker to assess her emotional state and provide additional support.
That's a great idea, Mihira. We can also explore alternative medication options if she's having side effects. Sometimes, a different medication can make a big difference.
I'll reach out to the social worker tomorrow. Hopefully, we can help her feel more comfortable and improve her overall well-being.
Mihira, let's talk a little more about the kind of fuel we're putting into your body. When you're not feeling your best, it's really important to focus on foods that give you a lot of goodness in each bite. We call these nutrient-dense foods. Think of things like healthy fats, which you can find in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These are great for giving you sustained energy and can actually help your body in many ways. Then there's protein, which is so important for repairing and keeping your muscles strong. You can find good sources of protein in things like fish, eggs, lentils, and beans. On the other hand, foods that are high in simple carbohydrates, like sugary drinks, white bread, and a lot of processed snacks, can sometimes cause your blood sugar levels to go up and down quickly. For some people, this can even contribute to feeling more breathless or tired. So, we often suggest limiting these kinds of foods. Staying hydrated by drinking enough fluids throughout the day is also crucial for your overall well-being. Water helps your body function properly in so many ways. However, as we talked about with feeling full, sometimes drinking too much fluid right before or during your meals can also make you feel quite full and potentially affect the space your lungs have to expand when you breathe. So, it's generally better to sip on fluids between meals rather than drinking large amounts with your food. How does all of that sound?